Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to add Duolingo widget on Android. So, if you're using an Android, you can easily add any kind of widget you want on your Android phone. So, in order to add a Duolingo widget on Android, first of all, navigate to Play Store and make sure you have installed the Duolingo application on your mobile phone and it's updated. After it's updated, make sure you're logged in to your app. Now, after this, you'll have to basically navigate back to your home page. Now, simply hold down your screen on any empty area. So I'm using Samsung S23 Ultra. You can simply navigate to your home page, hold any empty area on your mobile phone. It will open up these options: wallpaper and style, themes, widgets, and settings. Simply click on the widgets icon and it will show up this page. Now, you can see different kind of apps available for adding as a widget. What you're going to do is simply click on the search icon, choose search for Duolingo. Now you will see a number just after Duolingo. That is the number of apps or widgets you can add on your screen. So I will click on Duolingo here. Now it will show up this page. I'm going to simply choose what kind of widget I want to add. 2x1 or 4x2. These are the sizes. I will choose the first one. I'll click on add. Now, as you can see, Duolingo's widget has been added on my Android phone. I can simply drag this anywhere I want, put it anywhere, and when I click on it, Duolingo instantly opens up. I can simply hold it down and I get the option to create a stack. Also, when I hold it down, I also get the option to remove. Now you can simply again navigate to widgets, search for Duolingo, choose another size, click on add, and that size of that widget will be added on your screen. So that is the simple way through which you can add a Duolingo widget on Android. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.